In this video we will create electronic component that we can use in electronic designs in Fusion 360. For this video I'm using this TLE battery monitor. First we have to create new library for electronics. Then we can add new component in this library. Let's name this TLE component. And now we can create new symbol for this component. Let's add pins for this component. In this document we can see there is 48 pins. Here we can select side for the pins. Now it uses all 4 sides. We can delete this value text from here. And we can change name for this component. And then we can save this. So this new symbol is saved in the new library we just made. Then we can create package for this component. In Fusion we have this package generator. We can use these values from this document. So these both are 9 millimeters. This is 7, it's the size of that component. We can use this original footprint and then we just add these thermal pads which are 5 millimeters. Now it's all set and we can press add. So we have this new 3D model and we can save it. Then we can open this content manager and we can see we have all this symbol, layout, package and components in our library. and here we can see there's footprint and 3D model. So now we can open this component, double clicking it. Then we have to add new device from here, and here we can see this symbol we just created. And then we can click here and add that symbol. Now we have this new local package here, and here is this new model we just created. And then we can click this connect. Now we have to connect all pins from footprint and schematic to match. For this example we can just hit this connect button. And now we can save this new library again. So now we have created library and we can create new electric design. Let's create new schematic. And sometimes Fusion has some problems with updating this, so for now this time we had to go back to the component and then open again this same. It has some connection problem here. Okay, so now it's working again. And here we can see this new component we have created, and we can drag it on schematic. And then we can again save this, and now we see there's schematic and electric design. And now it has opened this new layout, and we can drag this component here. And we can test this, so we can add new component here again. Then we can save this, and then we can notice it's updating all these three files here. So Fusion is synchronizing all these files. And now we have this new component here too. And we can save this. And then we can push this 3D model here. And now we have this 3D model of this PCB. And then we can save this new PCB here. And then we can see there's again new file for this 3D model. And for demonstration we can create new 3D object here. and then let's save this. Now we can create new object for this assembly, and then we can drag this PCB holder here, and then we can drag this new PCB file here too. And they are both 3D objects, so we can use this joint and add that PCB here.